Hello, my lovelies. I am Anita Mitchell, and please like, share, and subscribe. Today we're talking on this or something better. Too many people in the law of attraction are getting caught up in manifesting what they want. They want that specific thing. Get used to saying to yourself, saying out loud, this or something better. I want, or if you're trying to win the lottery, make your affirmations. I am a lottery winner. This or something better. Always leave room for the universe, for God, to give you something better. Maybe it's a better business opportunity that will bring you way more money than the lottery will. It still leaves open what you want, but you're letting go of the outcome and letting it flow into your life. You want to allow the flow. If you're trying to manifest your dream home, have it on your vision board or wherever you keep the vision of it and say something like, I am in my dream home, this or something better. There may be a bigger, a better one out there that you will come in contact with over time. Always leave room for more. If you're wanting to make $20,000 a month, I am making $20,000 a month, this or something better. Always leave that open area there, because if you have a potential to make $100,000 a month, why not? And yes, there are people making that and more. So you always want to be on the playing field of something better, that be open to it. Don't lock yourself into one outcome, because there's many outcomes. The law of attraction could bring you many ways of receiving what you want. We live in an abundant earth. We are amazingly blessed, and we just have to open our eyes to it. So whatever you are wanting today, make it clear, but always leave room for something better. You may want new clothes, which is one of mine. I would love some new clothes, but this or something better. You may want to shop at one store, but maybe another store has a sale and you could get twice as many for the price that you're going to pay at the one store. Always leave open opportunities for you to increase just out of the blue. Recently, I manifested a freezer full of food. Now, I had hoped I got to get rid of that word. I had wanted to manifest something on Friday of this last week. Well, that didn't pan out, but on Saturday it panned out even better. A neighbor was moving, and her her she was getting rid of some stuff, and she allowed me to have a freezer full of food, a chair, a love seat, very, very nice things. And that's the way the law of attraction works. Be open to more things than exactly what you want. Instead of being disappointed that things didn't work exactly like you wanted, be open to the idea that something better is coming. Always have that idea, because more times than not in my life, something better always shows up. So with that, please like, share, and subscribe. God bless you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.